Exceptional. I enjoyed my stay. I will definitely stay at Days Inn for my next trip. Convenient amenities at Days Inn by Wyndham Seattle north of downtown. At Days Inn by Wyndham Seattle north of downtown, guests can enjoy a range of convenient amenities that enhance their stay. The hotel offers a laundry service, allowing guests to keep their clothes fresh and clean throughout their visit. Whether you're traveling for business or pleasure, this service ensures that you can always look your best. For those who prefer to dine in the comfort of their room, Days Inn by Wyndham Seattle north of downtown provides room service. Indulge in delicious meals from the hotel's restaurant menu without leaving the comfort of your room. This convenient option is perfect for those who want to relax and unwind after a long day of exploring the city. Stay connected with friends, family, and colleagues with a complimentary Wi-Fi available in all rooms and public areas. Whether you need to catch up on work emails or simply browse the internet, the hotel's high-speed internet access ensures a seamless online experience. To ensure a comfortable and hassle-free stay, the hotel also offers daily housekeeping services. Return to a clean and tidy room after a day of sightseeing, and let the dedicated staff take care of all your housekeeping needs. With these convenient amenities, Days Inn by Wyndham Seattle north of downtown provides everything you need for a memorable stay in Seattle. Convenient and complimentary parking at Days Inn by Wyndham Seattle north of downtown. At Days Inn by Wyndham Seattle north of downtown, we understand the importance of hassle-free transportation during your stay. That's why we offer convenient and complimentary parking facilities for our valued guests. With our on-site car park, you can rest assured that your vehicle is safe and secure throughout your visit. Best of all, our car park is free of charge, allowing you to save on parking fees and explore the vibrant city of Seattle at your own pace. Whether you're traveling by car or planning to rent one, our parking facilities make it easy for you to come and go as you please, providing you with the freedom to discover all that Seattle has to offer. Delicious dining options and convenient services at Days Inn by Wyndham Seattle north of downtown. At Days Inn by Wyndham Seattle north of downtown, guests can indulge in a delightful culinary experience without even leaving the hotel premises. The hotel features an on-site restaurant where guests can savor delicious meals in a cozy and inviting atmosphere. Whether it's a hearty breakfast to start the day, a quick lunch, or a satisfying dinner, the restaurant offers a diverse menu with a range of delectable options to suit every palate.